Ms. Pramila Lewis to please come and join us. Come on, let's hear it for Ms. Lewis. Come on.
Standard 1. From Kulla for securing distinction in Hindi, Marathi and Maths in Standard 1. Fernandez Aiden Concesio Blanche from Wakola for securing distinction in Hindi, Marathi and Maths in Standard 1. Morris Emma Ryan Priyanka from Kurla for securing distinction in Marathi and Maths in Standard 2. Kurla for securing distinction in Marathi and Maths in Standard 3. Rebello from Malad for securing distinction in Hindi, Marathi and Maths in Standard 4. Zayden DeMello from Kulla for securing distinction in Hindi and Maths in Standard 4. Emanuela Cardoz Mulun for securing distinction in Maths in Standard 5. Rodriguez from Mulund for securing distinction in Hindi, Marathi and Maths in Standard 7. Keith Fernandez from Kulla for securing distinction in Hindi, Marathi and Maths in Standard 7. Sheldon Fatima from Kulla for securing distinction in Hindi, Marathi and Maths in Standard 7. Joanna D'Souza from Navi Mumbai for securing distinction in Maths in Standard 7. From Ghatkopar for securing distinction in Hindi and Maths in Standard 8. Bryce Pereira from Kurla for securing distinction in maths in Standard 8.
Guys, it's not over yet. Calling upon Chris Choker, the convener for Prom Night 2020-25, who's always so calm and always sharing his wisdom to us. Let's hear it for Chris Choker, guys.
Hello everyone. So we are giving the awards, academic awards for the year 24-25. Kaden Gomes from Malad for securing 96.40% in SSC. Please clap guys, we can't hear you all. For securing 94.40% in SEC. Kiara D'Souza from Mulund for securing 92% in HEC Arts. Fernandez from Kurla for securing 88.17% in HSC Commerce. Goya Youth Vida Gonzalez from Mulund for securing 84.50% in HSC Commerce.
Let's go, guys.
Then Ria Rodriguez from Kurla for securing 82.17% in HSC Commerce. Then we have Megan Sequeira from Kurla for securing 87.87% in BA English. And the lovely Rebecca D'Souza from Kurla for securing 91.96% in BSc IT. Dice from Malad for securing 89.39% in MSc IT.
Last but not the least, we're going to end with Juliet Montero. As gorgeous as she is, she's going to present the awards now.
Also like to invite the Secretary of the Goan Outreach Association, Mrs. Meena D'Souza, and the Treasurer of the Goan Outreach Association, Mr. Joachim Briganza, to please come on stage. Mrs. Meena D'Souza and Mr. Joachim Briganza.
We are now going to announce the Scholarship Cash Award. Calling Rachel Pinto from Mulund
for securing 94.40% in SSC, receiving the Glenn Pay Scholarship Cash Award. Caden Gomes from Malad for securing 96.40, receiving the GOA Scholarship Cash Award, Boy SSC Topper. Calling Ciara D'Souza from Mulund for securing 92% in HSC Arts, receiving the GOA Scholarship Cash Award for Girl HSC Topper. Calling Rebecca D'Souza from Kurla for securing 91.96% in BSc IT, receiving the GOA Scholarship Cash Award, Girl Graduate Topper. Calling Jaden Dias from Malad for securing 89.39% in MSc IT,
Guys, that's
receiving the GOA Scholarship Cash Award, Boy Masters Topper. Calling all the students who have received the award today to line up for the GOA photograph. It will be a group photograph. Please come up.
Check. Mrs. Felicitat D'Souza and Ms. Pramila Lewis. Where is Ms. Pramila?
All gathered here, wishing each and every one of you a happy feast of our patron Saint Francis Xavier. I thank the President, Mr. Sebastian Sequeira, for inviting me to this evening for the Children Academic Award ceremony. Everyone is a star and deserve the right to twinkle. My heartiest congratulations to all the award winners today. Success is not a destination, but a continuous journey. it comes with patience. Each of you has shown that dedication, discipline, and hard work always leads to success. Your achievements are not just trophies or certificates. They are milestones that reflect your commitment to learning and growing. To the parents, I offer my sincere appreciation. Your support, guidance, and encouragement have shaped these young minds and helped them reach this stage. I wish you all very best for your future.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Felicidad D'Souza. Let's hear it for her. A small token from us. We'd like to ask Ms. Pramila Lewis to please say something to address us all.
Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity actually to give these awards to these scholars. Enjoy your evening. Thank you so much.
A big hand for Ms. Lewis. Yeah, a small token from us. As I mentioned before, Citizen Credit Cooperative Bank Limited has always supported us, and they've always been partnering us for all of our events.